Goodwood last year, almost 10 months ago, we've done an amazing amount of work on Project 8, and I'm really excited and pleased to be able to show you some of that work today. So Dave, how you doing?
Good, thank you, John.
You happy?
Absolutely.
Rumour has it in the office you're quite an excited man, not just generally, but about this car. Tell me about some of the major developments.
Well, this sort of project is what you dream of working on when you're a young engineer, and in the last 10 months we've been making the car better and better in every area, honing all the elements. We can move quite close to production because it's a small volume, we're only making 300, and some of the technologies deployed means that we can carry that tuning right to the last moment to make it as good as we can.
If you were summarising this car, just walk through the car and give me the highlights in terms of the hardware, if you like.
We've got carbon fibre body panels, the engine mounts are all new so that the engine is tethered to the body, the splitter, which obviously extends for track mode. We've got some really cool suspension behind here. First thing to look at is the upper arm. This is split in two. It adjusts the camber and there's shims.
Yeah.
You can see the twin springs. You've got a helper spring at the top and a main spring. The upright is all new. The ceramic wheel bearings, amazingly stiff and very, very durable. And that's the kind of motorsport technology we've got on all four corners. Coming down the car, we've got the different panels. So aluminium bodywork, huge flared arches. You follow this car on the road, which I'm lucky enough to do sometimes, and the arches and the stance are just breathtaking.
There is no mistake in this car, is there?
Not at all.
From the rear profile.
We have the rear wing, which is adjustable. Underneath the car we have a diffuser, which helps with the drag and the downforce. These holes hide a differential cooler, and it's just all these features and all this unique content which really make this car as exciting as it is.
No expense spared?
None at all.
None at all. Thank you.
This is what we need to deliver the kind of car we want Project 8 to be, and we got everything we wanted.
It's all about the competitive set. I mean, there are some obvious ones, but how would you place this in that competitive environment?
So you're talking BMW M4 GTS, you're talking Porsche GT3, and when people ask me, how would you sum it up? And in some ways you say, think of a Porsche GT3, but with 4 doors, 4 seats, and you're there. And then you have the track pack, which is 2 carbon fibre bucket seats, and instead of the rear seats, you get a half rear cage and a panel where the boot hole would be, which stiffens the body even more, so it's just that tiny bit sharper.
This is just awesome. For me, this is you've done an unbelievable job. The whole team's done a great job. The car is everything I've dreamt of, more than I ever dreamt of, actually. It's just great. It's fantastic. Well done.